Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by warming the engine until it reaches normal temp. This ensures correct needle seating and float behavior. Once done, set the base idle to the specified 700-900 RPM and secure the throttle stop so idle adjustments are stable. Next, locate the SU dashpot, the mixture or air screw, and the throttle linkages. These are the controls you will tune. Make sure to remove any air cleaners only if they obstruct access, and keep a notebook to record initial settings for reference. You now address the needle and mixture. First, lift the dashpot piston to confirm it moves freely and returns smoothly. This affects fuel metering. Then, loosen the lock nut and adjust needle height in small increments, half to 1 turn, because each change alters the air/fuel ratio across the mid-range. Once set roughly, fine-tune the mixture screw. Turn slowly while listening for the smoothest idle and immediate throttle response. If the engine stumbles, back off a quarter turn and reevaluate to avoid overly rich or lean settings. You finish by balancing and locking everything in. Recheck idle RPM and synchronize twin SU carbs with a sync tool or vacuum gauge so both cylinders share load evenly. Make small matching needle tweaks if necessary. Make sure throttle linkages have correct free play and then tighten lock nuts and secure any clamps. If the idle hunts or the engine runs uneven, inspect piston dashpot oil level, look for vacuum leaks at manifolds, and verify ignition timing. These common issues mimic carburetor faults and must be ruled out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.